ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. നമുക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം, ആഗസ്റ്റ് 15 സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യ ദിനമാണെന്ന്. സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യ ദിനത്തോടനുബന്ധിച്ച് 20 ചോദ്യങ്ങളും അവയ്ക്കുള്ള ഉത്തരങ്ങളുമാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ കഴിയുന്നത്.
Who was the Governor General of India when the First War of India's independence broke out in 1857? Lord Canning. The first section of the Indian National Congress was presided over by Umesh Chandra Banerjee, who set up the Indian Independence League. Rash Bihari Bose, who once remarked Nehru is patriot while Jinnah is a politician. Muhammad Iqbal. Where was the civil disobedience movement launched in 1922? Bardoli. When was the non-cooperation movement suspended? 1922. Which movement marked Gandhiji's entry into national politics? Champaran movement. The first weekly paper published by the Indian National Congress is in 1889 Voice of India. Who is the founder of Ghadar Party? Lala Hardayal. Name of the commission which was appointed by the British government to probe the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The Hunter Commission. Who was the first to describe the mutiny of 1857 as the first war of independence? Vinayak Samodar Savarkar. Who was elected as the president of All Indian Khilafat Conference held in Delhi in 1919? Mahatma Gandhi. Which renowned musician sang the famous song Raghupati Raghav Rajaram during the Dandi March? Vishnu Digambar Paluskar. Who founded the All India Harijan Samaji in 1932? Mahatma Gandhi. Who gave the slogan Dilli Chalo or March to Delhi? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who presided over the cabinet mission? Sir P. Lawrence. In which section of Indian National Congress the moderates and extremists sections of Congress reunited? 1916 Lucknow. When was the English East India Company established? 1600 AD. Which incident provoked Gandhiji to suspend the civil disobedience movement? Chauri Chaura incident. Who wrote the book India's First War of Independence. Vinayak Samodar Savarkar.